11th grade, I planned a fundraiser for an animal shelter. We'd set the goal for 10,000, but we'd reached 30,000 by the end of the week. Do you think it was a great plan? No. It was just my spirit to not give up when it was good enough. That's pretty much been the theme ever since. Hi, I'm Prithvi Agarwal from Yellow Badge. Today I'm here to tell you all why you all probably shouldn't select me for the placement committee. I tend to overcommit. Apparently, I bite off more than I can chew. Juggling a business, corporate operations, and an MBA? Yep, guilty. I tend to dive headfast into responsibilities and make it my mission to exceed expectations. Too much hustle for one. I expect this committee to push me out of my comfort zone. I expect to collaborate with brilliant minds and bring the same passion that I have brought to every role I have ever had. Too much to ask for a position, right? So if you're looking for someone who prefers the sidelines, stays quiet and plays it safe, you are right. You probably shouldn't select me. But if you're looking for someone who leads, learns, builds and grows, then maybe I'll see you on the other side of the selection. It was quite insightful. While beginning the introduction, Abhijay did mention how he respects women who are into sports and then went on to introduce Shrutika. While everyone was busy on 14th February, Akhilesh was busy too with his XL. Few other introductions that I do remember are that Jeet is a great singer, Fatima finds a great friend in Avantika who is also George Sir's favorite. You all do keep room 5 close to your hearts, but if I can't find you all anywhere, I'll go knocking at Shashwant's door. Go. Last but not the least, why do I find Sunandita the most inspiring is because I wanted to join NIFT as well and I couldn't because I come from a business family and all I was expected to do was a CA and ACCA or anything related to investment banking or consulting. She did break the barriers and did complete her fashion and technology from NIFT and has worked with over 200 companies which I dream to work with. Go. If I had to place myself in the batch, I wouldn't place myself according to grand titles or loud voices. I'd place myself as someone who brings quiet consistency, a strong sense of responsibility and an ability to deliver every single time. I am someone who shows up, takes ownership and gets things done. I believe in uplifting others and contributing to overall success other than personal glory. Every team needs that balance and I'd like to be that steady presence. So I'd not be like to be placed with the ones at the top but somewhere close to where actions happen, where people are accountable and genuinely want the batch to grow together.